Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Today, guys, we are going to take a look at these heavy-duty all-steel construction car dollies. The dollies we're looking at today are made by a company called Keithsome. All right, so first question is, what do you need these for? Well, I'm going to tell you, these are great for moving cars around in tight places, whether it's your driveway, whether it's in your garage, whether it's in a commercial setting where you're trying to move cars into tight locations or get them spun around. You don't want to start them up. What if the car isn't running, but you need to move it, but you don't want to constantly keep getting out there and trying to push it? You'll jack it up, put the wheels on these, and you're ready to rock and roll. You can move it all over any place you need to while you're working on it. So that's kind of cool. Now, you can use this with cars. You can use it with light trucks, which a light truck to me is going to be like an F-150, any half-ton truck. I can pretty much push a regular car on this by myself. It is so easy. These things roll so well. But you can push anything from a regular car to a light truck, and a light truck to me is going to be like an F-150, a Chevy 1500. It's going to be a half-ton truck because these actually work up to about 6,000 pounds. So at 6,000 pounds, that's going to cover most vehicles. Now, they claim you can put motorcycles on it. Now, I can see how the motorcycle would move, but I would be a little worried about the steering moving and it taking off. The bearings are super smooth. And if you notice, every one of the wheels has a lock. Now, it's hard to do it here because they are a strong lock. You're generally going to do it with your foot and lock that into place. And you can lock all four wheels so it's not going anywhere. The set of four is going to come in at about 50 pounds. I believe it's about 46 pounds exactly. I can throw them in a trunk. You're not going to go wrong with these. Do yourself a favor. Pick yourself up a set today. And we'll see you guys on the next one.